If I have loaded data into data model, I can view that data into data model. Click on Power Pivot tab, then click on Manage. Power Pivot window is opened. The two tables I can see here. If I click on Table 2, Power Pivot window shows Table 2 data. Click on this tab. I can manage relationships between these two tables. Click on Diagram View. But this type of data sets, I cannot create relationships between two tables. Because in this table, states are ranked by population, and in this table, states are ranked by area. Click on Data View. Then click on Refresh All. After that, I load these two tables into PivotTable. I can extract that data into PivotTable from here or from Excel workbook. Close the Power Pivot window. Then click on Insert tab. Click on PivotTable. I use this workbook data model. This is default selected. I can create new worksheet or existing worksheet. Select existing worksheet, click OK. I see two tables in the Pivot Table Fields pane. First I analyze Table 1 data, drag and drop population field in Values box, then drag and drop State field in Rows box. After that, I format these values. Select these values. Click on Field Setting. Then click on Number Format. Select Number. Check Thousands Separator. Decrease the decimal places. Click OK. Again click OK. I can add a rank field into Fields pane. Then I can view rank of each state. Click on Pivot Table Analyze tab. Insert Slicer. Then select State. Click OK. If I check this state, then I can see in the Pivot Table name of state, its population and rank. If I check this state, I see the rank of this state is 44 and this is its population. If I select this state, I see the rank of this state is 10 and this is its population. Click on Clear Selection. Now I want to see number 1 in rank USA state by population. For this purpose, I can sort and filter data. Click this arrow button. Click on More Sort Options. Then select this option. Suppose I want to check by sum of population, then click OK. I see here the number 1 state is by population California. Similarly, number 2, 3, 4, 5. If I want to see top 10 states in rank by population, then click this arrow button. I can filter data. Then click on Top 10. Click OK. I see top 10 states in rank by population. Select this Sort option. Then click this arrow button. Click More Sort Options. Select this option. Now I clear Filter from State. Then select this Sort option. I can sort this field from smallest to largest. If I want to see top 50 states from smallest to largest value, then I need to sort this field. Click this arrow button, then click More Sort Options. Select Descending. Then select Sum of Population. Click OK. I can sort this data in another way. Click Sort A to Z. Then click on More Sort Options. This time I select Ascending A to Z. Then select Sum of Rank. Click OK. I see data is sorted by rank ordered. The rank field is sorted from smallest to largest value. Suppose I want to see top 3 states in rank by population. Click on Value Filters arrow button, then click on Top 10. Type 3, then click on OK. I see top 3 states in rank by population. Click on Clear Filter. Similarly, I can analyze Table 2 data in the Pivot Table. Uncheck these fields. Drag and drop Area field in Values box. Then drag and drop State field in Rows box. Check Rank box. Click on Insert Slicer. Select Table to State. Click OK. It is difficult to find specific data in the website. I can easily find required data in the Pivot Table.